so many options.
Let's
If we just start, well, that's furthest, isn't it? So if we just start and then we can just work our way across.
yeah, let's just check out here. See, this isn't like used at part-time because nothing can get in.
It's what?
Wow, nothing can get in.
You mean nothing can get in? There's nothing.
You know, for the, like, if anyone's using this on the sly.
Oh.
Or...
Right, that way.
Got my glasses again.
Oh, I thought you meant you hadn't even brought them.
No, they're in the car.
Oh.
Doesn't matter. I think he's doing the house first.
What?
He's doing the house first. Oh, this is a... This is a big one. It's somewhere for all my exes to live. Somewhere for all my exes to live. There's some of them.
Yeah, careful now.
Wow, that's fully open over there. The steps. Let's look down here first.
Upstairs, to be honest.
It's worth a look, isn't it?
Yeah.
What are you doing? What are you saying?
That's just an empty room.
I'm going up the steps just anyway.
Not to jinx it, but these are still surprisingly solid.
I know.
Sturdy country craftsmanship. That is.
Oh, you can see right through.
Yeah, this floor is very. Like, these aren't very big, these floorboards, are they? They're like, maybe like an inch or something.
Yeah, they're doing alright.
I don't feel like there's anything underneath them supporting them, does it?
Why would there be a colander there?
I don't know.
Never mind.
That doesn't feel very secure at all, does it?
Lonely window. Yeah, go stand in the middle, just to work. A bit more to the left. No, to the left. To the left, to the left. Yeah, let's check this.
You always take them in like miles away.
Well, I did try to get you to position, but I kept saying left and you kept going right. You don't stand like that. Oh.
A lovely lady.
that was the most weirdest stance.
I was getting low, so I couldn't have the window.
Yeah, well, usually you go just bend over.
Maybe I didn't want to.
You kind of like had to be. You had to be dramatic with your squatting.
I'm a dramatic man.
It's like you don't want to touch the seat.
Yeah. I was practicing in case I need to poop.
This place is. I don't know where it's
This is so much. Didn't realize it right.
Place. injection or something for animal treatments. Betamox. Whatever. What's new? Whoa. Huh. It's an old cooker, whatever that is. See, there's parts of this we can't see. Oh, here we go. Right. Should we start over here? I don't know where to look. Yeah. And that's just so let's try to see that side. It's the old parts that you want to see.
I think the house is probably
Yeah. These are the old barns though, aren't they?
Yeah.
These are the old barns. No. So I'm just checking out the old ones, you know, taking my time with the old ones. It's like there was a rabbit hutch or something over there. He's gone straight to the house.
Yeah.
Reckless explore. Well, reckless Viking adventures. Yeah, I was going to say, it's just going to be a walk through to the other side, isn't it?
Oh, there's not even a view.
Yeah.
Loads of these bottles of, like, you know,
Yeah.
injector all over the place.
What's these here? Hey, this room's got stuff in. So what's that? I think this was the medicine. Tools and
That stinks.
it smells of petrol.
I'm not throwing petrol, it smells really fucking hot.
In here, look at that.
I know,
See the
that's actually pretty decent then, I think.
Okay, last one to look through. Oh, what's this? Is this the milking room? See? You know. So, but wouldn't be cows, would it? How big is a cow? There's a radio.
Well,
Oh, look, here's one of those.
we all know fucking cows aren't exactly treated well in the day in the reality, so I mean, it's no surprise they're cramped into a little.
Yeah. Yeah, after here, let's go to the house. Let's go to the house then. I'm guessing the fields over there were like neighbouring this or something.
There's more like sheds. that way, but I don't think there's probably not going to be anything in them, is there? So
No.
yeah, I was just going to be, if there's anything cool, it'll be in the house.
That was quite cool, that. There's a couple. What the hell's... It's flooded.
Yeah, weird one.
Yeah. Looks like there's multiple ways in here. Shall we go through the front door?
Yeah,
There's a path. So many butterflies. I'm gonna get a picture. Hey Mike, duck down. Duck! Duck down! There you go.
I still see my face peeking through here. Like a little fucking gremlin.
Ah, this is actually a good one. Yeah, mask. Mask time.
Just in case.
I need to loosen this, but it's like, it's getting that balance.
What balance?
On the side bag. You know, after it's not falling down.
You have a pretty nice stained glass door.
I know, look at that window there.
Indigo across this one. Got it insulated as well, just like straw.
Yeah, that's the intertold.
Yeah.
This one still has curtains.
So what?
This has curtains, it goes on. Fireplace. Some Explorer there. Oh, for the plates there.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a. That's a really well, heavy are these. Okay, that's heavy.
Yeah.
That's a fairly new. I'll get that.
It doesn't look super old, does it?
No. I think someone's tried to rob it. And then it's too heavy, and you know they've managed to get it from under there, and it's just too heavy. I couldn't slide it a little bit. Oh. Found the toilet, but you can't use this one. Yeah, I'll squeeze through there.
That's what I'm saying.
Front door. Ah, this is. Oh. Oh.
Oh, well, this is worth it.
Yeah. Whoops. Loads of oh yeah. Loads of panel teams up there. The way this caved in there. The kitchen. No, I didn't think it'd be something else. Wonder where he's gone. Now that's a creepy ass chair just being there.
I was about to say, is it just me or is this room just giving off an unsettling vibe?
I know.
I don't know what it is about it, there's just something about it that I don't like.
That was a creepy ass chair there. Just sitting there.
Yeah, it's not about the lighting in here, I think. But it's probably like the kids' toys scattered about as well, and the doll outside there, you know.
Nah, I saw the chair and thought, yeah. It's quite cool. Let's go upstairs. Well, it's more downstairs. So, upstairs this way. This would have been a nice house. I don't know about you, but it's had bad vibes in it. Certain rooms, I'm just like,
I'm not in this one, only in that one. That was the room just in.
Yes, it does.
We go upstairs, top floor.
Dated
1853.
Yeah. 1853?
Yeah. Is it 1853? It's just a news article on the floor. It does look old, like.
See, on the fit.
Lights on the stairs?
We have a toilet. And toys.
There's a fireplace in like every room.
I know, it is an old house. What's with these toys? Just random toys. Yeah, Mike.
I know, that's funny.
Smash. Now there's tea lights because...
Yeah, the tea lights are going right up the stairs.
Ah, right, these newspapers. They've come from up the chimney.
1994.
94.
Is that the river?
Yeah, the river. Yorkshire River? Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
What are these? I think for chandelier or something.
Yeah, probably fine.
Maybe up here.
So, weird place for the light switches, right? On the door frame.
Oh yeah.
Well, I think we've seen that before. Somewhere.
That's a good picture right there. Sweets and wrappers. Old carpet.
Yeah. Creepy ass holes in the wall.
That was the floor.
Rules for this.
No. Let's have a look. Someone's put, this place is weird.
Yeah.
Oh, no, that does look old.
Valentine's Day, 1853.
Is it?
Is it real though? Or is it like a...
It's the Times. London.
It's legit, isn't it?
Wow.
Jeez.
Like no pictures. Like there isn't any pictures.
There's no page 3 on this one?
Yeah, they were on it.
You know what I mean?
Oh, look at those. What's this one? Liverpool, February 12th. Stock Exchange. The following were.
Transactions on this day. Aberdeen.
One.
What's that say? 14 or 14. I think it's like old money and stuff in it.
Yeah, little deep Manchester.
I don't know old money, so. This is weird. It's like this curtain's there, but then the window's been like sealed up anyway.
Yeah.
Creepy. Oh, there's two of them.
I know.
Two of them now.
Nothing. Whoa. I'm gonna get the MF. Nothing. Wait.
Where the toys are?
Yeah. Huh? It's not. Where the toys are. It stopped. That was weird.
I've just been any kind of anomaly.
Check this out. Nothing. You kind of pulled us into that room. Not doing it again, it's in here. We just connect to that. Yep. Right, so ready? If he says that now, he's just shit himself. Nice and loud now. It's going off again, look. Sweet dreams. Is there children here? No.
No.
Why are the toys here? This is going off. Let's just say Dave. Dave.
Dave.
No. No. I think we need to go to that room downstairs. Yeah.
He's had on all the coast, see if he's like, what the fuck?
This is going insane. Light switch? Right. Sit in this chair. Set off the lights. No. Just a creepy chair. Chair. I hear things later, you know, when I'm like post-production. Because I've got noise cancelling headphones.
You didn't like the vibe in that room down there to the right, so try in there. Like down there.
What's that? No.
That just went right up to there.
Yeah, because I heard a quiet. They? What's that on the floor? What is it? Prada. It keeps saying my name. Did you hear that?
Yeah, I was about to say, there's been so many times it sounds like it's saying Dave. That one sounded Dave.
Yep. I think third time I've heard Dave. Do you keep saying my name? Keep hearing my name. If you want to say, it's going off again. Keep hearing the same name. Whoa. Close. Stop. No. See, it's not this. I moved it away. It's not you. It's gone. it's gone. Were you just standing here? What the fuck was that? No. You didn't go upstairs, did he? Ah. Yeah. Sneaking in. Don't do that. Don't sneak in. Well, we did. Yeah, you bitch. It is going to rad. It's going off, but upstairs it's nothing. There's no electricity
Except
in here.
that one time when it took us into the room. Yeah, no electric, yeah.
And look, stops with him.
We'll have to come back here too.
Stops with you, and then randomly just starts here.
I got a weird vibe upstairs in that room where the little ball was in that room.
I got one with the toys. Sitting in the corner.
Two teddy bears sitting in the corner. Hey, you know, I swear I just saw like just a little like something like fly past like in that gap there.
Oh yeah.
The door, just sort of. There's an actual bird in there. Have you seen it?
What?
Like a living bird. A living bird.
Whoa.
There it is.
Did you see that?
Oh, that must be what I saw then. Have you ever saw something fly past? I've got that on video in there, flying around. It's just flying around.
Wait. Wait, let me.
You heard it?
Yeah.
It's a swallow. I think it was a swallow.
Wait.
It's just flying around in there in circles.
Wait, there it is up there.
I think it's stuck in here.
No, it flew out.
No, yeah, because it flew that way. No, that. Oh, yeah, it is, yeah. Hello, friend.
Yeah, I'm watching that. What is this? Wait, why is it? Is there a nest here?
No, it's just that one. There's probably a nest on top of the chimney.
Whoop! Plus we could land on my head.
It's trying to go out the window all the time.
How are we going to help it?
This way, man. This way.
There
we go. Hey! Yeah, this would be good at the night time, isn't it?
I know.
Let's come back at the night time.
Let's go try EVPs. Do you know what I didn't ask you? Do you want us to leave? One of the things you always have to ask, do you want us to leave? We'll go if you want us to.
So I didn't want you in the first place.
We say, do you want us to leave? But we don't.
We got that on me.
Yeah. Okay, let's get me recorders out. This one seems to be more sensitive. I forgot to charge this. I think I'm... Okay, let's go into the quieter room over there. The creepy room. I'm going to put on here, everyone stand still. Ready? Record now.
Oh, I didn't know you started. I didn't know you started recording.
I said, everyone stand still. Casually walks in the room.
I was in the room.
Okay.
Get out the way of the window.
I thought you were going to do it again.
No, it's moving out the way of the window.
Okay, I'm going to record now. Anybody here? You've had other paranormal investigators here. How about you talk to us? Okay. Anybody here? You've had other paranormal investigators here. How about you talk to us? Do you know something?
What's that?
You need to just make quieter.
Breathe.
I think my being car. Right. Let's see. Kind of quieter in here. Oh, that's you walking in. Right, let's...
That other one sound like someone like just.
Here we go. Anybody here? You've had other paranormal investigators here. How about you talk to us?
Did? I think it's just a car, you know.
I know.
Sound like someone.
First one, though. First one found my breath, and the second one my car. But again, we don't know because this just cars all the fucking time.
Better of a night when it's quiet out there.
Hmm.
And things happen more of a night time, don't they?
So if I'm recording, fuck no. Right, so basically
That's
just
a lot of land wasted over there, isn't it?
Basically just the EMF was going off, wasn't it?
Mm.
But should I try the app again? Let's try the app again. Now that Reckless Viking is here. Hey, what? Do you want us to leave?
Yeah.
Why do you want us to leave? Get out. Pretty. Thank you. How many are with us? Repeat, how many? One, and then kind of goes weird.
Right, we've got that.
Sometimes
Necrophonic.
there's been places where it's been, I know, it's been places where it's been, okay, do you want us to communicate with the lights? Don't.
That's going bananas.
Saying don't. You try to just, is someone stopping someone else communicate? Left. Okay.
That was going bananas when that was on.
Right, we need to think yes, no questions for the lights flashing. So, is there anybody here? See, now if it says no, then what's the point of staying? Do you want us to leave?
Did you die in this house?
Again, nothing.
It only went bananas when you put the necrophonic on.
Were you an actual living being? No, yeah, it could be like something else. Mike's falling asleep. There's a chair here if you want to sit down.
I did go bananas when that
Look.
necrophonic on them.
Why? How? Right, just randomly just goes off. I'm not doing anything. What's that?
They're probably just all passing through.
I was like, look at this. Suddenly caught my eyes, kind of like around here. Okay, on to the next location then.